Okay, cleaning up my room, getting things ready for next year. We've got some new instruments coming up, so I cleared this wall off, and we're planning to put up some new uke hangers and stuff. And then I came up with a crazy idea. I've got these carpeted walls, which are the strangest thing in the world, except for posters. They're awesome because you just put Velcro on them and then you can stick them to the wall. And so I had this idea. What if you took Velcro and put it on a uke? Now this is a junk uke that's about to be retired. And so I thought, hey, why not? Let's see. Put a couple strips on the back. And there it is. Not sure I would recommend this long term, but it's got possibilities.